I've got a little confession to make. For a long time, I've been using my company logo as the watermark on YouTube. I could have been making so much more of this feature. Find out how today in this video. I am David Proud. I run Proud Business Productions and I am a video content marketing specialist. So first of all, what is a watermark on YouTube and what does it do? Each channel needs to enable the watermark feature and they also need to upload an image. So not all channels are going to have this feature, but the ones that do, you'll see a little logo in the bottom right hand corner. If you hover over this, it allows people to quickly subscribe to the channel. That's a great feature, right? Yes, but most people don't actually know what the watermark does. They just think it's an extra bit of branding at the bottom of your video. So if you're just uploading your logo as the watermark, you might as well not bother at all. So what should you be uploading as your watermark image? If the point of the watermark is to get people to subscribe to your channel, then why don't you make a custom image that looks like a subscribe button? By doing this, you're letting your viewers know what that feature actually does and you're telling them what you want them to do. An easy way to start is by taking the basic design of the YouTube subscribe button and changing it from the red to your company's branded colours. As with all marketing, it's all about testing and measuring. So start with your branded colours, check your analytics. After a few weeks, if you're not getting any new subscribers, tweak the image again and repeat until you find something that works. To wrap up, don't just be like everyone else and upload your company logo as your watermark. People don't know what the watermark does and it's not going to bring you any new subscribers. Instead, create a custom watermark image using the YouTube subscribe button but changing it to your branded colours, therefore telling your viewers what you want them to do. What are your biggest video marketing challenges? Let me know in the comments below and make sure you subscribe to catch my weekly videos. Go on, the button's just down there.